Welcome to the AI and Future of Work podcast, episode 86. I'm Marcus Chen. In the next minutes, you'll get a compact, repeatable workflow that turns past clients into a steady referral pipeline you can run between flights. Picture this, a 3-line AI prompt, a short batch run, and 2 days later, a $2,500 referral lands in my inbox. No cold screeping, just a respectful ask to people who already know you.
Wait, $2,500 from one referral? That sounds great, but I want to hear the mechanics. Headlines are fine, but how did it actually work?
Totally fair. Short version, I exported a small segment of recent high satisfaction clients and ran a synthesis prompt per project that pulled 3 impact bullets and a short quote style line. I used that output to create ultra-personal outreach, friendly update, brief reminder of results, then a clear referral ask with a $150 credit. 2 people forwarded it. One reply turned into about a $2,500 project in 2 days.
Good. So the targeting mattered. Before anyone starts automating, tell us the minimal stack and accounts. Keep it lean so listeners can actually set this up from a hostile Wi-Fi.
Lean stack. Airtable for your client base. ChatGPT or another LLM for synthesis. Zapier or Make for automation. A tiny landing page on Card or Notion for referrals, and Stripe or a gift credit provider for issuing rewards. That's it.
Right. Now give us the exact prompts people can copy. I want copy-paste ready stuff, but with a quick note about privacy, please.
Here are the 2 core prompts. Prompt A, testimonial synthesis, run per project. Summarize project name into 3 impact bullets with metrics and 1 20-word client quote style sentence. Tone, grateful, concise. Prompt B, personalized outreach, per client. Write 3 short messages for client name. 1, friendly update plus 1 sentence results reminder. 2, referral ask with clear benefit and link. 3, 5-day minder. Include X dollar credit / discount offer and opt-out sentence. Keep outputs short and human.
Oh, quick concern. Templating can sound robotic. Are you sure those canned prompts won't produce robotic-sounding outreach?
Good point. Don't use templates blindly. Instruct the model to borrow 1 phrase from the client's own outcome language in the first bullet and cap outreach messages at 40 words. Humans should skim and approve. That small tweak keeps things authentic and prevents the robotic feel.
Nice. Using their words makes a huge difference for trust.
Now let me break the build into actions you can do quickly. Step 1. Export a CSV from your CRM with client name, email, last contact, project name, and outcome. Step 2. Import into an Airtable base with these fields: satisfaction score, consent flag, synthesized bullets, outreach status, and referral validated. Step 3. Run prompt A in batch and paste outputs into synthesized bullets.
Filter aggressively. Only outreach to clients contacted in the last 12 months with high satisfaction. Use a formula or a view in Airtable so only the right rows trigger automation. And record consent_flag if they previously opted in. That keeps you compliant and respectful.
From there, you set a Zap or Make scenario. Airtable record changed. Call SendGrid or Twilio to send the messages. The message includes a short referral link to a tiny landing page that shows the synthesized bullets and an intake form.
Hold on. What counts as validated? I don't want credits going out for low-quality leads.
Exactly. Validation gate is simple. The landing page intake must include company name and contact email. That creates a record in Airtable. You manually or semi-automatically confirm fit, toggle referral validated, and only then trigger the Stripe webhook to issue the credit. Automate bookkeeping fields so every reward is auditable.
Good. And legally, include an opt-out sentence in every message, store opt-outs in Airtable, and do minimal data collection, month, year, or non-identifying outcome, so you don't over-retain personal data.
None of this is glamorous, but the record keeping is the part that keeps your Nomad life sustainable. Okay, I'll read the 3 short outreach message examples you can use and tweak. Message 1. Hi, client name. Quick update. Since our June launch, your conversion rose 18%. Mind if I share one short idea? Message 2. We're rewarding successful referrals with a $150 credit for any company that signs up. Details here. Referral link. Reply no to opt out. Message 3, 5-day reminder. Following up. Any chance of an intro? Reply no to stop.
Right. Small edit. Add a privacy line in the ask message. We won't publish your name without permission. That calms people who worry about visibility.
Love that. Now, quick monetization math so you can decide a reward size. Typical funnel, 100 targeted messages, about 8 clicks, 2 qualified leads, 1 closed project. That's roughly a 1% close rate from outreach to close deal. If your average deal is a few $1,000s, a $150 credit per successful referral still leaves a strong ROI compared to the time cost of cold prospecting.
And test it. Split your initial list. Different subject lines or reward sizes. Track clicks and qualified leads in Airtable for 2 weeks. Then scale the winner. This prevents accidental spamming and helps find the least intrusive ask that still converts.
Okay, here's the 9-minute checklist you can run tonight. 1. Export 25 recent clients into CSV. 2. Import into Airtable and set satisfaction score and consent flag. 3. Run prompt A across those 25 projects and paste results into synthesized bullets. 4. Create a zap to send message 1 to 5 clients tomorrow morning. That's set up in 9 minutes. Then a minute a day to monitor and validate.
Small implementation tip from the ethics side. Keep a visible audit column for rewards issued and the verification notes. That paper trail helps with accounting and any cross-border questions about taxable benefits.
Before we close, quick accounting on time savings. If you replace 3 hours a week of cold prospecting with 30 minutes of cleanup plus reward admin, you reclaim roughly 8 hours a month. 8 hours can be billable work or strategic growth. For nomads, that reclaimed time is freedom, and the referral pipeline converts task work into recurring visa-qualifying income while you travel.
And one final guardrail. Always review AI outputs before sending. Let the model draft. You sign off. Respect builds engines that last. Automation should protect relationships, not replace them.
That's your AI blueprint for today. Tonight, export, synthesize, schedule. Automate the ordinary. Amplify the extraordinary. Ready to implement this at a higher level? Enroll in our high-income remote skills courses at nomadlifesuccess.com/courses.
Let's make this actually work for you. See you tomorrow with another short, actionable AI workflow.